Rain or shine, devotees like elderly couple Carmencita and Pablo Conti make sure that they attend masses at Quiapo Church ahead of the Feast of the Black Nazarene.
Magagawan po namin ng paraan, makarating pa rin sa araw ng piyesta. Kasi ito ang nagligtas sa amin dalawang mag-asawa. 50-50 kami, mga ospital kaming dalawa.
The couple said that 2020 and the COVID-19 pandemic deeply affected the faith of their family. They are devotees of the Black Nazarene for more than 50 years.
Maawa siya sa mga tao, maawa siya sa mga anak niya.
Every year, a sea of people join the Black Nazarene procession hoping to briefly touch the image, but this is one of the biggest changes this year.
Ang pinakamalaking pagbabago ay wala tayong prosesyon ngayon. Wala yung pahalik, wala yung pasanan na tradisyon na nakikita, kundi puro pagmimisa po ang kumbaga nakatuon tayo sa lahat ng misa lamang dito.
The church is also encouraging localized celebration elsewhere in the country to avoid mass gathering in celebrating the feast.
Kung dumagsaaman, bagamat lagi naming hinihikayat na sana sa kani-kanilang probinsya na lang, kani-kanilang mga simbahan na lang muna.
The Philippine National Police will deploy at least 5,000 personnel during the feast on January 9th. There will also be road closures in areas surrounding the church.
Kailangan talaga natin na magkaroon ng road closure para ma-maintain pa rin natin yung ginagawa natin na social distancing dito sa loob ng Quiapo Church ay hanggang labas mapanatili natin yon.
The PNP says that north and southbound lanes of Quezon Boulevard will be closed starting January 7. The east and west section of the Carlos Palanca Street will also be closed as well.
Walang mga vendors dito sa mga paligid ng simbahan na ito. Villalobos, Hidalgo, Carriedo, Quezon Boulevard, wala na po yan. Pati parking, wala na po yan. January 7 pa lang.
And if there will be an overwhelming number of people in Quiapo, police will also tell them to attend masses in other churches during the Feast of the Black Nazarene. The COVID-19 pandemic changed the way Filipinos will celebrate the Feast of the Black Nazarene this year. What used to be a crowd-drawing events with millions of devotees attending yearly, now the church wants it to be more personal, contemplative, and safe from the threat of the virus. Tristan Odalo, CNN Philippines.